Oh, there it is. Yep, I got him. Smallie.
Oh, look at him go.
Oh yeah. What the buck is up? Hope you're having a buck and outrageous day. So today, back on the Detroit River. As you can see right now, just making it down the bank. Water conditions look just like insanely good. Really juicy right now. You know, it's like a really crystal clear, flat water, no wind, high pressure. And we got super hot conditions. Humidity is gonna be really high today. And right now, I am in search for a big smallmouth, because it is bass season, you know? So I'm gonna be throwing everything, some finesse, some tubes. But the goal is this year, 6 pounds. 6 pounds. My PB, 6.13. So hopefully I defeat something like that. It's gonna be a hard feat because I rarely get fish like that, but I've seen people get really big fish. But we'll have to just go and try and see. Anyways, let's get down there. Now that I'm on the bank, first thing I'm gonna try to do is use a finesse. And if it doesn't work out, I'll switch over to a tube. I like bouncing the bottom right now, especially with the clear conditions and the rocks. There's a lot of weed beds right now, and there's a lot of fish just hanging around waiting for that bite. So let's get to fishing. There it is, guys. I'm gonna be using the Hangover Finesse by Lunker CD first. This is a truly wonderful bait for me. Does me wonders. Probably my best color. I talk about it all the time, but gotta go to my go-to first. And if it doesn't work out well, then I'm gonna try a couple of tubes. Tubes will also work very well, but let's see what's down there. You can see right now, I'm fishing like a deep trench. This is like a shipping trench right here. You used to park boats here along this side. And you used to make it a little bit deeper just so, you know, nothing ever happens. But you check out there. There's thousands and thousands of seagulls just eating right now, and it's all the mayflies there and dead in the water, just floating down. So the bite's gonna be a little bit tough. But if we work hard, we can always find something big. So, you know, let's go look for the 6 pound smallmouth. Hopefully a big musky bite. So I'm hoping. Let's all hope together. Let's do this.
A few moments later.
There you go. My tube jig. Favorite color right there, the pumpkin. Anything with that brownish orange, I love it. I love it. Yeah, all of them, man. I was like, holy cow. There we go. I got one. Yeah, I got one. Yeah, I need the net. This one is smallmouth too. Oh, a sheephead. Yes, yeah. Oh, no, I got it. Yeah, thank you. Still a fish, Howard. There you guys go. First fish of the day, freshwater drum. Tiny, but not a smallmouth. Howard, man, how you catch a smallmouth? Show me. Oh, there it is. Yep, I got him. Smallie.
Oh, look at him go.
Oh yeah.
Oh, he spit that fish over here?
Yeah.
Got a big shad in it. Yeah.
He did. You grab the net? I'm gonna need a net for sure. Yeah, right behind me.
Okay.
Yay! Trying to keep it in the water so he doesn't pop off.
Why, you gonna give him the lucky?
No, I want to show off the fish for a second.
Oh, you want to take a
Yeah,
picture?
finally, there we go.
Nice
Ta-da!
Nice one.
It is a nice one. That thing flew out the water. There you go, first smallmouth of the day. Yeah? Nice and chunky. It is chunky.
That other one
For sure.
is a small one.
Yeah? What do you think that weighs? 2.5?
Pound and a half.
Pound and a half?
That's
Okay.
what I was gonna say.
Pound and a half. Still chunky.
It is
What a beautiful fish, though.
good looking fish.
Oh, it is, hey? Nice bronze back. Yay! Oh, he's got it. He's got it. There you go. Yeah. Big one. Oh, it came off. It came off.
Oh yeah, that was 4 for fun.
Woo!
More mad than you.
Damn.
Get him.
Nice cast, Mike.
I tried it. Waited till
I even felt the bite. I was like, oh, he's got it. All of a sudden, I was like, I thought I've had it perfect.
that's what you want. Pour it up. See the way he
Yeah.
ran though?
Yeah. Yeah. There it is. What? What's up?
Big fish.
Oh yeah. Hit it.
Not coming up though.
Yeah. No, it's a sheep. Yeah, it's a sheep. Another fish on the day, man. Non-stop right now. Thank you, Mike.
Whoa, baby.
Smashing the tube right now. Mm-hmm. You want one? You want one of those tubes?
No. I'm gonna try this one.
Thank you.
He's on a roll.
That's a freshwater drum or sheephead. Yeah, it's a pumpkin tube. Yeah, by Lunker City. Or Lunker Hunt. Look, this thing's got a bunch of worms stuck to it, like parasites. See it? It's moving. Yeah, of course. Another drum for the day, guys. Roughly about 4 or 5 pounds there, but she's going in. A lot of parasites on the back, but looks like, oh yeah, it's everywhere. Yeah. So guys, I'm gonna make my move right now. You can see I was just slaying so hard, but I got invited out to a different spot and I must go.
Invited means you have a choice.
I do have a choice, but I am going.
Let's go.
All right. All right. Bye-bye, Detroit River.
That's how it goes.
Real fast.
Are you eating too already?
Yeah.
Arby's?
Whopper Wednesday, bro.
Oh!
I wanted Whopper Wednesday.
Okay, okay.
Bro, I did the same thing.
What's up with this door?
I gotta get it.
Bro, I started filming the lady. And she like,
Is the door locked, Brandon?
All right.
Probably.
Christieri?
Yeah, Chrissy.
Yes, me!
Oh. All right, so we got the whole gang with us right now. Stopping at Arby's, get some food, and then we're gonna make our way out there. Don't know what to expect, but pure mayhem.
Slayham.
With Slayham. All right, so just made it to the new location, and I'm actually super pumped right now. It's really, really scorcher. Started off in the morning on the Detroit River for bass, and now gonna be going in the canals for bass. We can throw in the Senkos. Got a couple of my boys behind me. What are you gonna be throwing first? Oh, you got it rigged up already. He's got that little Ned rig. Put the screw tight back in. All right. His reel just broke, so let's go fishing.
You're all over here too.
Hey, your first Bassador. What did you get it on, a Senko?
Yeah, waited.
Is that watermelon?
I'm not too sure.
The shaky head?
It's like a craw color.
I'd say that's 5-6 pounds.
Oh
Easily.
yeah. 7, bro.
Oh, you
You keeping?
No.
You should throw on the wall mount.
Oh,
You
yeah.
should.
Alright. She's gone.
Nice. Let me see, T. I want to get a nice shot with that. Hi, that's a nice bass.
Oh, Larry.
Oh! There you go, guys. First bass. There you go. There you go, guys. First bass, largemouth bass. I'm gonna get back in the water real quick here. Nice, beautiful fish here. I'm gonna say roughly about 1.5 pounds or so, but good fish. There you go. Oh yeah, there we go. Another bass. You guys see I chase that up? Here we go. Another bass on the day, guys. Nice, beautiful, largemouth. Hope I can pull this through all the weeds here. Gotta be gentle. Nice. There you go. On the white Senko. Check that out. She's a beaut. Man. Really hot out here right now. There we go. Glad to be out. Back in the water you go, baby. Go, go. Go. That was cool. Clean out this white Senko. I like my bait to be perfectly clean. There we go. Another bass on the day. Ooh, nice jump. Third one. Nice. Let's get her in. Oh, it's beautiful bass there. Another LMB on the day on the white Senko. So I'm using weedless hook here. And nice and chunky fish for today. Whew. But check that out. Another largemouth bass, LMB. Roughly about a pound or so, 14 inches, but now, let's get you back in the water here. You ready, buddy? You ready to go? You ready to go? Go. Bye-bye. Nice. Nice. All right, everyone. That was just a fascinating day. Started off on the Trout River. Landed a few bass. Landed a lot of sheephead. And we took us out to the second spot. We actually caught a couple bass here also. But it actually slowed down. The heat was just tremendous. We're all dying. About to head home, fire up the barbecue, and just hang out. Next time?
It's late.
As late?
Yeah, oh, yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay. Anyways, we'll catch you on the next one, guys. Peace.